Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kim Brown, your girl, here to help you look your best on or off the camera. And today it is all about my skincare regimen, my easy steps, but step by step so you can see how and what I use. I love my TimeWise Repair system, and that is what I'm going to feature today, along with a couple of extra massaging items. So enjoy, stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few. Hi my friends, this is Kim Brown, 50 and fabulous. That is going to be my new slogan for the year 2022. After taking a look at some of my makeup videos, I'm going to go through and make some changes with the way I do my eyes. I constantly am trying to make them look younger or lifted, and sometimes I don't hit that mark because I'm kind of set in the way I've done my makeup for so many years when I was below the 50 and when I didn't have quite as much skin, loose skin. And as you can see, I do have loose skin, right? It's there, you can see it. And so I'm gonna try these tips when I get out of the shower after I've gotten dressed, is do all my skincare using the TimeWise Repair Voluform Lifting System Advanced Formula. It has a lot of lifting properties in it and ingredients. So I'm gonna begin with prepping my skin and getting it ready for the skincare. So micellar water, it is not to be confused with a cleanser, and micellar water is usually my first step of two cleaning my skin. So it will gently yet effective. There's no rinsing or harsh rubbing required, removes impurities, and it helps break down makeup, and it leaves my skin hydrated. Now, along with my Skinvigorate Sonic brush and my moisture rich foaming cleanser in the TimeWise Repair system, I am going to wash my face and allow all the nutrients and the vitamins that are in my cleanser get deep into my skin. I love to use this Skinvigorate Sonic brush. This cleansing, it features 3 speeds, and the device allows you to control your cleansing with a touch of the button. Now, it cleans in hard to reach places with over 20,000 micro bristles. And if you've ever washed your face with just a washcloth or your hand, use this just once and you will realize how much dirt you were leaving on your face. My skin feels nourished, baby soft, and ready for the next step in the TimeWise Repair regimen. So the next item I'm talking about is our TimeWise Repair Advanced Lifting Serum, or the TimeWise Replenishing Serum C+E. You saw the TimeWise Repair Eye Renewal Cream. I'm using that under my eyes, and it takes away deep wrinkles. It helps increase the skin moisture around for 12 hours, so morning and evening. It will help and restore. It helps with sagging skin, and it also reduces puffiness. That specific tool that is on there, it has a specific customized application tip, and it's designed to help stimulate your microcirculation, and that is what helps get rid of puffiness. It is such a wonderful product. The next step would be my day cream. Now, this is our TimeWise Repair Voluform Day Cream Sunscreen Broad Spectrum for 30 SPF. This will help totally restore your youthful cushion. Skin tone appears more even. It will hydrate your skin, moisten your skin for 12 hours, and then it also will minimize the skin reaction to external irritants. Of course, it helps prevent UVA and UVB damage.
Now I am going to take the brush off my Skinvigorate Sonic, and I'm going to put my facial head massage on there. And I love this. This massager is known to promote microcirculation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. It also will hug your face. You'll see as I'm using this, I can literally turn it left or right, and it will get in and around on your jawbone, your eye sockets, constantly just moves that around. It will deliver more than 24,000 sonic powered micro massages to your face and your neck in a single 2-minute session. 1 minute in the morning, 1 minute at night. It will shut itself off after that 1 minute. Literally, you will notice the difference in your serums because this helps get it deeper into your skin. It is so relaxing and it feels so good. I love to do this specifically when I'm going to bed. It makes me relax. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I would love to hear your comments or your questions. Have a fabulous day.
That's it, ladies. Wasn't that simple? I know. I love the TimeWise Repair system. And you know, there are many other systems in our line. There is our TimeWise 3D Miracle Set. There is our Botanicals, our Mary Kay Naturally line, our Clear Proof for those people that have acne. And then there's our MK Men. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something from it. Please leave me your comment below on what you would like to know more of, or if you have any questions specifically on some of the products. I will answer them to the best of my ability. Also, I have my link down below if you just want to go ahead and purchase it. I enjoy seeing and hear from you, so please share me with your friends. Subscribe and hit the bell. Do the notification for all, and I will see you next time at the next video. Have a wonderful day.